Hey, what's going on? We out here in Fort Jackson. The weather conditions aren't favorable at all. I'm out here with M Hood. He's over that way. We were gonna go try to go fish the river, but it looked like they had a little incident over there with some cops and fire trucks, so we have to give it a little while. Been raining off and on all morning. I'm gonna just go try to throw some shrimp on the bottom right here in that pond, if I can even cast it out because of the wind. But we're right here next to the Fort Jackson. A lot of y'all know this spot, but I hope I catch something. So hope you enjoy this video and we'll see what we can do. Got him. Got him. What I got? Ah, what was that? I don't know what that was. Got him. Got a fish. A little channel cat. Oh, didn't get skunked. Wait, ah, get it out of here. Hold it up again. That thing is a tank. Hey! You got a bite? You on? Yeah, I think so. Got a fish. Sail cat, probably, huh?
Doing those fast head shakes.
Cat. How fat he is. Look at his stomach.
Yeah.
He took my bait.
If we go to Port Sulphur and fish the pier, we don't have a land, we don't have a drop net.
Sure don't. We'll just have to hand line it up.
Make do.
Alright, well, this is probably our last spot right here. Out here in Port Sulphur. I got 2 poles. I'm gonna put one on the bottom. And then the other one I have is just a cork. I didn't bring any plastics because I didn't know it was gonna end up here. He's going back with a free meal. Need about 35 more of these. All right, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the last spot of the day. Go see if we can catch a bowfin shoe pick. I think my leader might be too long. but I'm gonna go try it anyway. There he is. Got him. Got him. Oh, lost him. I just lost one. Oh, he hit it again. Got him. Got him. Ah, lost him again. I lost another one. They just had something big right here. Something really big just came up right here. Right in the middle.
Something big came up?
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
Fish?
I hooked them fish over there.
I was getting tail bites. Something was attacking this speed crawl over there. Got him. Ah!
Same thing.
Yep, that was a shoe pick. I'm gonna be able to catch them with artificials. That is awesome.
All right, everybody, that's gonna be the end of the video. It was a tough day with tough conditions, but I still managed to catch a few. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.